join my digital lectures. I'm Suha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is fractions and figures. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to express the fractions in figures and vice versa. Means we are going to express the fractions in figures as well as figures in fractions. And we are going to match the fractions with related figures. Well, my dear students, you already know that what is fraction. So, do you know that what is fraction? Fraction represent the equal parts of a whole collection of objects. This is what you have studied it before in your previous classes as well. But you need to remember one thing, that is we need to have equal parts as well as whole collection of objects. Well, this thing stands for, we can also say that a fraction shows parts of a whole that is divided into equal parts. Okay? Means we can say, in other words, division and fraction is same but in equal parts. Okay? We can have equal parts. Equal parts have the same shape and size. Now we are going to express the fractions in figures. Basically, we are going to write the numbers of the fraction, means in fractions form, and figure means that we are going to show the shape as well as the equal parts, division of equal parts. So here we go. This is the example. So here you can see the picture of a cake. Well, this is a whole picture of a cake which is of rectangular shape. Now, my dear students, by dividing it into two equal parts, we have what? Each part is 1/2 means half. Okay? This is a whole picture of a pizza. If we are going to divide it into three equal parts, then what will happen? Each part is 1/3. 1/3 means 1. And there is a line and then the number 3 means total number 3 and each part will have 1/3. Now here is an example. This is an example of a watermelon picture. Watermelon is of complete picture, means this is not divided into equal parts. So this means this is a whole. Now if I am going to divide this picture into 4 equal parts, then I can say that 1/4 means in fractions form I can write it 1/4. Now my dear student, you can see the picture of an orange. You can see this is an orange. If I am going to divide this orange into 5 equal parts, then I can say that each part is 1/5 in fractions form. Now look at this rectangle. This rectangle is divided into 3 equal parts. So I can say that how many parts? 3 equal parts. So how many parts are colored? 2 parts are colored out of these 3 parts. Means that I can write this fraction as 2/3 or 2/3. Now you can check this picture. This picture is showing a square. This square is divided into 4 equal parts. So how many parts are colored? You can check. Yes, 3 parts are colored. So I can say that I can write this fraction as 3/4, or I can say that this out of 4, how many parts are colored? Yes, 3 parts are colored. So I can say that this is the fraction form. I can write 3/4. Now you can check one more example. This is a picture of a circle. This circle is divided into 6 equal parts. If I can say that, how many parts are colored? You can see one part is colored only. So I can write it down, or first I can say that out of 6 parts, 1 part is colored. So I can write it down as 1/6. So here we go. Let's solve some examples. The example statement is express this fraction in figure. Means that you will have a fractions form. Yes, and we are going to draw a figure. Now, so here the fraction is given 5/6 or 5/6. Means that I need to divide. I can draw the shape of rectangle, square, circle, any shape which is easier for you to draw. So I am taking over here a shape of a circle and I'm going to divide this circle into 6 equal parts like this, and then I'm going to color how many parts? Yes, I'm going to color 5 parts from these 6 parts. So you need to color it like this, you color it like this. So this is the example, that is we have done shown the figure of the fraction. Now check out the next example. The next example is express this figure in fraction. So I am having a figure, means a shape which is divided into equal parts. So means that this is showing a fraction. So I need to write the numbers, means write the numerical form of the fraction. So what to do? This figure is showing 2 colored parts out of 7 equal parts. So I write in fraction as 2/7. You can see that this 2 is showing you the colored part and this 7 is showing you the total equal part. Okay. Now my dear students, we are going to solve another example, means we are going to match related fractions with figures. So for this reason, you must know one thing, that the lower part of the fraction shows the total part. Okay, total equal parts, and the above one, which is the top one of the fraction, shows you the colored part, as I told you earlier. Now my dear students, check the first fraction in figure. That is, you can see over here how many parts it is divided into. Yes, 4 parts. And how many is colored? 1 is colored. So means that this is 1/4. So I need to check 1/4 and draw a straight line like this to match the fraction with the shape or figure. Now my dear student, next one is, how many are total? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are the total equal parts of this fraction. Now, how many are colored? Yes, 3 are colored. Means that this is a fraction of 3/8. Check, where is 3/8? Yes, here it is, and now you need to join them together through a straight line. Now, next figure is 2 parts and 1 part is colored. This is simple and easy and clear, that is 1/2. So you need to check where is 1/2 and draw a straight line to attach them or match them. Now next one is, this one is figure is showing 1/8. So because 1 is colored and total parts are 8. So check where is 1/8 and draw a straight line. Next one is figure is showing you 2/6. Check 2/6 and draw a straight line. Next figure is showing you, yes, 1/6. So draw a straight line to show and match the numbers or fractions with the figures. Now next figure is 3/4. Now check where is 3/4. Attach them, yes, do it like this and match them. Now next, the final one is 1/3, meaning 1 part is colored and out of how many parts? 3 parts. So you are going to check where it is. Yes, here it is. So join them together to match it with the related fractions. Okay, means that the whole concept is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, you need to take care of yourself as well as your family. Allah Hafiz.